How to track links in Instantly.ai. To set this up, go to your inbox campaign editor and make sure link tracking is enabled. Instantly.ai will automatically replace your link with tracking URL connected to your domain. Once your campaign starts running, head over to your campaign stats dashboard, where you'll see not only open and reply rates but also the number of clicks each link received. This helps identify which prospects showed real interest and which resources or CTAs are work best. If you want even more precision, you can create unique links for different offers or landing pages and compare performance side by side. By monitoring link, you know exactly who engaging, giving you a warmer list of leads to follow up with a powerful insights to optimize your email strategy in Instantly.ai. So that's it.